Are your events missing flavor? You are cordially invited to experience a unique and one-of-a-kind event at the Institute of Culinary Education in New York City. From corporate entertaining and product launches to team building and personal celebrations, ICE runs hundreds of culinary events each year. Events at ICE combine the best elements of a cooking class, cocktail party, and fine dining. Kick off with cocktails and hors d'oeuvres, followed by hands-on cooking. And the bar is always open. You'll enjoy all your hard work with a white-glove, full-service, multi-course meal. ICE prides itself on personalizing all the details of your event, making it easy for you to get out of the office and into the kitchen, entertain clients, launch new and exciting products, or let the creative juices flow with a team-building event. All appetites are sure to be satisfied. Join the biggest names in business who have hosted events at ICE, including American Express, Google, iHeartMedia, and more. ICE has the space to accommodate groups as intimate as 15 or as large as 100. Throw a unique holiday party or that Milestone birthday feast. With everything from the appetizers and drinks to coffee and dessert, our event staff takes care of you, no matter your guest skill level. Our award-winning chef instructors will share expert tips and tricks to create an exciting and delicious experience for all. ICE will work with you to customize a unique menu suited to your guests' tastes. Choose from a variety of our most popular themes, including classic staples from a New York steakhouse, rustic Italian fare, dumplings, the art of charcuterie, and more. Thirsty? Try one of our Mixology events. Aspiring wine aficionados can swirl, sniff, sip, and taste their way around the wines of the world. There's tasting events for beer, bourbon, and whiskey too. The next time you want to throw an event, add some flavor and create an experience in the heart of one of America's culinary capitals. An event at ICE is the perfect recipe for food, fun, and mouth-watering memories. Email or call us today to speak with an ICE event planner, or visit us online at ice.edu/host your event.